Hi guys, I'm here with Lauren. Lauren, say hello.
Hello.
And we're going to dye her hair today. Not dyed anyone's hair before, but we all know that I'm queen of winging hair. So we're going to take the gamble and try it. We are going to TK Maxx because apparently they have some hair dyes that are discounted, and see
£3.
see what we're dealing with. We don't know what colours we're going to do yet. This is the hair dye we're looking at in TK Maxx. So you already have, what was the other one called?
It's pink.
Just pink. Ooh, that's nice.
Ooh, I've just spilled that.
Oh my gosh, that is so blue. Thing is, the blue, you aren't going to get it out. Good. Me and Lauren have made a pit stop at the RSPCA because we want to go and see the cats. Hello! 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 Oh my god, you are so cute!
Oh, you're in a little adventure.
He wants to jump at you, but he just...
I know, I want you to.
Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Hi! Hello! Are you lovely? Are you? I know. Whoa!
Wow, that was a big jump.
Oh my gosh, you are so cute. I can't get it. Here it is. Oh, I can't. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh my gosh. My hair in any particular way, or do you want to just do your thing?
I'll just do my thing.
If you want to...
I think this is going to be enough. I don't know if it's going to stick. That's the only thing. This is quite light.
I'm doing this for my fans.
It looks good.
I can't see.
Oh yeah, it looks really good. Okay, here we have it. It looks so cute. That dye is actually really good, isn't it?
Yeah. £3, TK Maxx.
Perfect. I think it looks like kind of peachy, and then there's some bits that are a little bit more pink. But I think, you know what? I think pink is the best colour to go with blonde.
Mm.
And then like if you have like brown hair, blue or green is really nice.
Or purple.
Or purple, yeah. But then like lilac would look nice with blonde hair as well.
I think lighter colours.
Yeah, definitely.
Like more pastel-y colours.
Yeah. But yeah, you happy?
I am.
Cool.
Thanks for being my hairdresser.
It's okay. It looks so cute. Yes.